Hi friends, this is Chetna from Leams. Today we are going to learn about esophagus and stomach in the gastrointestinal system. So let's start with the esophagus. So basically it is a muscular tube about 23 centimeters long, extending from the lower end of the pharynx to the stomach. It lies behind the trachea and joins the stomach, piercing through the diaphragm, also known as the food pipe. Esophagus act as a conduct for food to pass into the stomach by a process called peristalsis. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation of its muscular wall. Cardiac sphincter means one-way wall-like ring-shaped muscular structure. This cardiac sphincter at the junction of lower end of the esophagus and the stomach prevents reflux, that is re-entry. Reflux of stomach contents into the esophagus again. So this is about the esophagus. Now let's see about stomach. The stomach is a highly flexible muscular bag and is situated on the left side of the abdomen below the diaphragm. The stomach has three parts: upper portion, which is known as the fundus, second central part, which is also known as the body, and the lower portion, which is known as the pylorus. The opening of the esophagus in the stomach is through the cardiac orifice, and the opening of the stomach in the duodenum through the pyloric orifice. Both these openings are guarded by sphincters to prevent re-entry of food into the esophagus and regulating its passage in the duodenum respectively. Gastric glands of stomach secrete gastric juice, which is acidic in pH. This is due to hydrochloric acid present in the gastric juice. The acidic medium kills bacteria and other germs in the food. The food is churned in the stomach and mixed thoroughly with the gastric juice to form chyme. The gastric juice contains enzymes for breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. These digestive enzymes are, you can see the major digestive enzymes which are useful in carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion, nucleic acid digestion, and fat digestion. Their production site and site of release, also the pH level of a particular enzyme. Here we will see about the pepsin. In the presence of hydrochloric acid, pepsin acts on proteins and converts them into more soluble peptones. Renin. This is a milk curdling enzyme that forms casein from soluble casinogen. Casein is a milk protein and is further acted upon by pepsin. Small amounts of gastric lipase, the fat splitting enzyme, are also present in gastric juice. They aid the commencement of digestion of fat in the stomach. Now let's see the functions of stomach. First, temporary storage of foods. Second, mixing of food with gastric juices to form chyme and initiating the process of digestion. Produce blood forming factor of Cassel, which is necessary for the absorption of vitamin B12. And the fourth one is manufacture of hydrochloric acid. The pyloric sphincter at the junction of the stomach and the duodenum regulates food passage from one to the other. This is about esophagus and stomach. In next lecture, we will learn about small intestine and large intestine. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and if you would like to see about more learning topics from LIMS, please subscribe to the channel. Also, please don't forget to press bell icon.